Combining stylish tempered glass, customizable RGB lighting, innovative cable management and concentrated airflow. Choose the 4000X RGB for a unique high-performance PC. Show off your components and RGB lighting with tempered glass side and front panels, built with dedicated front ventilation channels for ample airflow. The CORSAIR RapidRoute cable management system makes it simple and fast to build an immaculate, professional-looking system with major cables neatly routed through a single channel, with a roomy 25 mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 CORSAIR 120 mm AirGuide RGB fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs for brilliant customizable lighting. Fully control and synchronize the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans with the included iCUE lighting node core and CORSAIR iCUE software. Top reviews from the United States. Great case. Top quality case, as expected from CORSAIR. Easy to disassemble and reassemble. Plenty of room in the side for cable management behind the MOBO. Lots of room in a mid-tower package. This was my first build, and I couldn't be happier with the simplicity this case provided. Airflow is great and you can easily fit a 360 mm AIO up front. I even did a 3-push, 2-pull setup. Would have been nice to have the extra half-inch to add the 6th fan to the cooler, but it is far from necessary. I have a Ryzen 9 5900X and with a bit of undervolting, it stays around 60 C under full load. Glass is completely clear, not tinted, on white model. Perhaps the black version is tinted? Also, glass feels thick and strong. Not sure how others have shattered theirs, but I was more concerned about bending the metal back side plate than hurting the glass panels. Only con. Case comes with black SP120s instead of white. I bought a 3-pack of white ones and put those up front, then used the black ones in the case for exhaust. It was a simple switch that I did after the build cause I have OCD at times. Took maybe 20 minutes to switch them? Again, super easy, but wish they were the white version from the factory. All in all, I would recommend this case to anyone considering a mid-tower build.